How to change batteries on AirTag. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel Genie Guide. So in this video I'll simply guide you on how you can change your batteries on AirTag. So you simply want to make sure to watch the video till the end in order to change your batteries on AirTag. So as you may know it, actually Apple AirTag comes with a replaceable battery. You don't necessarily need to charge them for about a year because it's going to last you long enough for that. But if you finally think that it is the time to replace these batteries, you can absolutely do that. So from the back you have to be very careful on this. So just make sure that your Apple AirTag is just placed like this in front of you, and then after you've done that, so as you can see over here, you want to actually press it and then rotate it anti-clockwise. Okay, just press it and then rotate it anti-clockwise. When you press it, you have to rotate it anti-clockwise just like that. So let me go ahead and then do that as well. So as you can see, I have rotated it anti-clockwise. Now just come up and then you'll see the ring actually come up, because you can see it has actually come out like this. Now what you can do is you can just remove this, and then there you can see our battery. All you have to do is just press open the battery and then insert the new battery that you want to use for your AirTag. So in this case, let us say that this is the battery itself. All you have to do is make sure that this side is actually downwards and the one which is the flatter surface is actually facing upwards. So right over, you just place it again. Now to place it again, you just have to repeat the same steps. You can see those three corners over here, right? You want to just make sure to place these three corners right into those three corners. So let me make sure to do that, and then after you've actually placed them, just press it and then rotate it clockwise again. So make sure to press it hard and then rotate it clockwise, and the AirTag is actually going to be locked again. So you will know when it is locked if you don't see the spaces around the rings, right? So basically this is locked, and now again it's ready for use. If you want to remove it, as I said, press it, rotate it anti-clockwise, and it'll just come up like that. If you want to actually keep it back again, make sure that they're placed properly first, press it and then rotate it clockwise, and that's basically how you can change the battery packs on your AirTag. We hope the video was really helpful, and if it did help you, then make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. If you have got any more questions though, feel free to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching, and see you in the next video.